Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where smart upgrades meet everyday essentials. Today, we're spotlighting a sleek and space-optimizing addition to your laundry room, the Samsung 27-inch washer-dryer pedestal stand with pull-out laundry storage drawer in classic white stainless steel. If you own a Samsung washer or dryer, or are just looking to make laundry day more convenient and efficient, this is a must-have accessory. Let's get into it. This pedestal stand is purpose-built for Samsung 27-inch front-load washers and dryers, and it does two important jobs in one go. First, it raises your appliances to a more ergonomic height, no more crouching or back strain when loading or unloading clothes. Second, it includes a smooth gliding pull-out drawer that gives you a hidden, organized space for laundry supplies. With a durable stainless steel build, this pedestal is made to last, resistant to rust, moisture, and the everyday bumps of a busy laundry room. The white finish blends perfectly with most Samsung washer and dryer models, creating a seamless, professional look in your home. Now let's talk about functionality. The drawer capacity is generous, perfect for holding detergents, fabric softeners, dryer sheets, and other small essentials. The ball bearing glides on the drawer make it effortless to open and close, even when fully loaded. Installation is incredibly easy if you have a compatible Samsung machine. Just align the pedestal, lock it into place, and you're done. The pedestal is also designed with stability in mind, reducing vibrations and keeping your laundry setup secure. If you're all about streamlining your laundry routine and upgrading your space without major renovations, this pedestal drawer combo is an excellent solution. It's practical, stylish, and built to elevate your daily chores, literally. Hit the link in the description below to grab yours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more Gadgetverse upgrades coming your way.